I used ChatGPT to prepare for my exam. That's how one of our learners started. He was confident. Well, I will say overconfident. But then he failed. Not because he did not study, but because he overtrusted the tool and forgot to trust himself. Hey, I'm Shraddha from Knowlathon. We work with thousands of IT professionals who want to grow in this crazy, evolving tech space. And right now, a lot of you are asking, can I just use AI to prep for certifications? Let's be honest, you can. But should you? Let me tell you what happened with one of our clients, a cloud engineer prepping for ISO 27001. He used AI for everything: summaries, mock tests, definitions. It felt easy until he had an actual interview after certification. They asked for the application. They did not ask what is information security management system, but they asked how to build one for the fintech company with 3 global branches. And then it hit him that AI has prepared him to remember, but not to think. Here is the thing about AI tools. They are fast, they are convenient, but they don't know you. They don't know your exam, they don't know what your manager is going to expect after you are hired. They can help you with definitions, but they can't help you make decisions. Look, we love AI. We use it every day. But at Knowlathon, we have seen this. The ones who succeed, they use AI and accountability, trainers and technology, shortcuts and strategy. So, if you are serious about growing in this AI era, we are ready when you are. Head to knowlathon.com, subscribe, follow, or just drop us a message. Let's grow together, smarter. See you in the next episode.